Hi, Scott Doolan at MarineMax, and we're going to do a brief walkthrough on a Harris 210 cruiser. So 21 foot of log length, about 22.5 foot of deck length, so the boat feels actually a little bigger than what its model stated is. Has the new flat panels on the outside, so non-corrugated look, definitely a sleeker, more modern look. Wraparound seating both sides on the front, LED lights in your cup holders and in your seat bases. On all the new Harris pontoons, anywhere you see a double cup holder or a single cup holder, there's going to be a USB port right next to it, so really well thought out. This one was ordered with a 12-foot bimini top, so a little longer than what some of the other ones are, and definitely higher. I mean, you figure I'm 6'2", I can barely reach the top of it. It is nice and tall, allow a little bit more airflow to come through the boat. In-floor ski locker, flip-up table. I mean, this one's got all the right options on it. Wireless cell phone charger, 7-inch SIMRAD built right into your dash. So, chart plotter, downscan sonar, fish finder. All of your gauges get run through there also. JL audio head units, a Media Master head unit, which is nice, gives you some better zone controls. Has a small amp built into it, so really good sound for this system. Flip-flop backrest over here. That way you can sit, laying down flat for for a sun pad, or sit like this, facing out the back while you're pulling kids on the tubes or skis. This one has 150 horsepower on it, so plenty of horsepower for tubing and water sports. Harris has your fender holders built into your stern safety cage, so really nicely designed. Nice built-in cooler underneath your back seat also, as well as a ski tow bar for you. So full-length middle log on this one also, so a lot better performance than the 2/3 length that you see out of a lot of other stuff. So if you've got any questions about this or any of the others, by all means, pick up the phone, give us a call. We look forward to talking to you soon.